Question 4. What is the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F when we've got this as our diagram? The fact that we need is to know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So therefore, this angle here is going to be exactly the same as this angle here. And conversely, this angle here is going to be exactly the same as this angle here. So if this was 30 degrees, say, this one is going to be 30 degrees as well. So whatever these are, they're going to be pairs. And this is what we see here. We see that these two pair up. So A and B, well, A is actually the same as B, so B could be considered to be A. And what we do with that knowledge, and the same with CD, the same with EF. So what we've got as well is that we are looking at 180. So we are looking at across here. We know that angles along a straight line. So if this is A here, let's do it the other way around. Looks more like the diagram then. So if this is A here, we're looking at this angle in here. Then we know that this here is going to be 180 subtract A. This one here is going to be 180 subtract C. This one here is going to be 180 subtract, or we could do either E or F, and the same with the others actually, because you've got this as a straight line or you've got this as a straight line. But either way, what we're going to end up with is 3 angles inside a triangle where this add so that's each of these angles inside are going to be here, and that all equals 180 because angles inside a triangle add up to 180. I'm just going to delete this for a bit more space. To simplify this, I can add 180 plus 180 plus 180, which gives me 360. Oh, in fact, I've got 180 here as well. So I could actually simplify that to be, if I, 180 plus 180 plus 180, subtract 180 there, if I bring that across, this becomes 360. And then I've got a negative A, so if I add that to the other side, I get rid of it from this side, C, add it to that side, E, add it to this side, and therefore this simplifies to be this. If I wanted to see what 2 lots of those were, we know that A and B, C and D, E and F, if you add them all together, what you've got are is 720, because we're looking at double. How do I describe it? Let's go with A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F is the same as saying 2A plus 2C plus 2E, because those two are the same, these two are the same, and these two are the same. 2A plus 2C plus 2E. Let's just take this off here. So 2A plus 2C plus 2E can also be written as 2A plus C plus E. Now we know here what A plus C plus E is. We know it's 360. So 2 lots of 360 is 720. Therefore, the answer that we are looking for is 720, and therefore the answer is C.